Hello, everyone, and welcome to New Year's Eve. It is 10. Come here. Let's go see what time it is from Garnet. Garnet. Time is it? 10:15 at night. All right. Camera's panning too fast. Shut up, camera. Now, as you can see here, I am packing up my stuff here, my rotary phone, which of course functions perfectly and is not a complete prop and waste of time at all. Also, we have my My Little Pony watch. Zoom powers. Activate. Yeah, look at that. That is an absolute waste of time. Anyway, I am packing up all my stuff. And as you can see here, all my stuff is being packed into crates to be shipped away to the United States. Well, the United States of storage for the time being. And here we have my wood floors, which I'm going to have to say goodbye to. Oh, and look at that. I just pointed the camera at the light. Sorry about that. Yes, everything's going wrong, camera. Camera's telling me the apocalypse is happening because it's not on a tripod. Oh well, we'll come through here. Here's my cleaning thing. We're cleaning the apartment entirely so that the landlord doesn't have a bitch fit. Yes, and all the dark areas here. And it will show you outside. And look, there's me in the reflected window. And out there is Cuenca, Ecuador, a city that took me in when the U.S. said, fuck you. Well, not all of the U.S., but you know what I mean. Basically, the employment sector. And here we have their fireworks going off. Can you see that, peoples? You see that? There's their fireworks. These are premature. You know, because they're using Roman time. And none of you got that joke at all. I don't know if you can hear me anymore, but... oh, and down here we'll have... you can see effigies being lined up and sold. Zoom in on these people as they are unknowingly preserved for posterity. See, there they are. There's people. You can't sue me because they don't have those laws in this country. Yes, this is getting creepy really fast. Oh, fireworks! You missed it! Damn! Pull out all the way. Anyway, effigies over there. What that is that these are dummies of people, I hope, that are stuffed with fireworks and then lit ablaze and thrown into the street. I love the parts of this culture. We need to do that in the U.S. In fact, I think we used to do that in the U.S. I think they still do it in Detroit. It's just not a celebratory thing. That was a dark joke, wasn't it? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be updating you all throughout this video and telling you what time it is. Garnet will tell us what time it is, and the camera will keep telling us that it's panning too fast and auto-zooming. I did not tell you to do that. All right, there we are. All right, maybe I just didn't zoom back in. All right. As you can see here, the beauty of the city, the only light you can see is from the unnaturals. You can't see the mountain. I'll do an interlude at the end of the video during the day on the New Year's Day. So there we are. Isn't that all pretty down there? Isn't it all pretty? There's the blackness that is my lavanderia. And ladies and gentlemen, look at all that. We'll be back when actual fireworks start flying into the sky and exploding, you know, and scaring the hell out of all the birds in the city. Okay, quick update. The fireworks haven't started yet, but they are burning their effigies now. Sorry, I'm talking right into the mic. You see there? That was a man once. A man stuffed with fireworks. Now he's dead. There's another one over there. Victims. Victims of a system that makes men torment. I'm gonna zoom all the way in. See if you get that. Hey, I'm the first person ever to record this on YouTube. Yeah, give me $1 million if that's true. Oh, look at the fire. Look at the fire, like Friday the 13th going on down there. The movies, that is. It's mesmeric. Look at that. Look at their car. That is an ancient car of ancientness, but it is a good little car. Look at that. Whoa. Someone tell me what model that is. I forget. Oh, by the way, zoom on out. Just give you an idea. Look at this. Live street. Cars running around past it. Right past the flyer. Now, if you did that in the U.S., how long before someone panics and calls terrorist on that? Pretty fast, actually. Hello, lady. You're preserved forever on the internet. How do you feel about that? You're not even aware of it. You'll probably never even see this video. Fanning the flames of the internet. Zoom in. Auto zoom. Turn that off. There we are. Look at that. Look at that. And her husband, brother, boyfriend. Leave the fire alone, honey. I'm a man. I know how to do fire. Social commentary. Ha ha! Pun. Oh, that's awful. Honey, I told you this isn't a way to get rid of the kids. Now get the fire extinguisher. Timmy's almost dead. Sorry. Hello? Well, isn't it nice? That's very nice. Oh, look. Look, it's fireworkers. There we are. Spark everything. Make everyone go blind on the internet. You can do that. I'm sorry. Camera malfunction. The light, it burns. The camera's lens. Oh, she's gonna do it now, too. Oh, that was fun. Timmy's ashes make such good firework fuel. I'm being awful. Just to let you know, all this burning stuff is going around all over the city, and there's my neighbor down there. He's staring up at me going, well, what the hell are you doing? I don't know if you all can hear me, but if you can, I'm leaving all this soon. Not that I can't come back, it's just, well, it's a bittersweet thing, you know? You get used to one culture, and then you go back to the one you knew, and it's sort of like the ending to Lord of the Rings. How do you pick up the pieces of a broken life? Sort of thing. Well, that's what these effigies represent. Burning the old self and letting the new one come forth. Look across the city, everyone's doing it. Is that firework? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Probably not. Oh, trust me, come midnight, this whole sky will be bright orange with fireworks. So we'll see you then. Be right back. Well, it seems the city's decided to go off a little prematurely. Though I think this is more private stuff going on. I know exactly if you can or cannot see it. Sorry if the audio is going out of whack. Oh, look at all this stuff. Zoom in a little bit. Camera, you suck at filming fireworks. Just saying. Just saying. And now they're all vanishing. Well, there they are, all off on the surface, which the camera has decided not to focus on. Oh, and there they are over there. Oh, look at that. Boom. Boom. That was anticlimactic. What the hell was the point of that one? Oh, look at these. Look at this. Don't worry, this will be a compilation. This will be a compilation at this point. Because I know it's dark. I can't light up the sky. I'm not God. Only one person on the internet is God. And, well, if he found out what I was doing on the internet, he'd kill me. Look at that. Not even midnight yet, and they're already going off. That's how you tell this is a masculine city. Ha ha! Jokes. Ha ha. I got none of them. Whoa, what was that? What was that? Oh, that hurt my ears. I'm probably breaking the camera right now. Oh, look at that. This is a city 8,000 feet in the Andes, people. And it's shooting fireworks and, well, giving Al Gore a headache, really. You see, over there, I don't think that's fireworks. I think the building just caught on fire. Look at all that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. Oh, it's starting up now. Not quite midnight. It's 7 minutes still. I don't know if you can see all the little bits and bops going on, but I'm trying. I'm trying to show you. Surely you can hear it. It's going into the red bars for my camera. Should do a security cam sweep here. Whoa, right next door. Should I pretend this is Cloverfield, eh? Or do you? Pointless. Oh, look at that. It's going off like crazy. I'm sorry you guys can't see all the orange hues through this camera. Or you might be able to. It's probably just a little LCD screen on the camera. Oh, look at that. This would be great stock footage. It's royalty free because I shot it in a country without copyright laws. I don't know where to shoot anymore. Everything's going off. We're entering the Battle of Redun territory here. Whoa, okay. Still useless. Oh, look at all this. There's the hot air balloon here every year. Hot air balloon. Whoa! Arm getting hurty. Look at all that. It's going off all over the city. Every last part of the city. Oh, it must really be time. Well, I don't want to abandon the slideshow. We'll just assume the countdown went ahead. Still useless. Oh, oh my. Know where to turn to get good stuff. This will be up. this amazing, people? City not even 5 miles wide. With a population over 1 million. Well, not over, but damn near close. Useless. My God, there's just an unbelievable smell of smoke and gunpowder in the air. Oh, and there's more than one balloon this year. That's nice. Every bird in this city thinks it's the apocalypse. I am so not sleeping tonight. This usually goes on until about 3. Where they get this many fireworks is beyond me. It really is. Let me see if I can get a good zoom in on that. Well, it's starting to get to the point where I can't show anymore because of the smoke. It's not being picked up on the camera. I don't know if you can see it, guys, but the sky is bright orange. All gone dark with smoke, isn't it? Well, let's go out front. Let's go out front and see what's going on out there in the main street. This is one of the biggest streets right in front of my apartment in the city. Avenidas de las Americas. Garnet. Oh, look at that. 12:08. 8 minutes into 2006. It's been a beautiful year. What you all been doing out here? Hey? Hey? Oh, you all vanished, I see. It's all dark with smoke and the camera won't pick up anything anymore. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, I suppose that'll do it for this video. Well, I can see a lot, but the camera can't because of all the smoke and the haze and the birds running away and shitting themselves terror. Well, I should end this video by saying some things to you guys. You know, it was exactly 1 year ago that I stood watching that display. You know, in the HD. Oh, not again. We're missing stuff. Interrupting my beautiful speech. What are you guys doing? Right there. Right there. Setting stuff off. Setting the neighborhood on fire. Interrupting speeches to my subs. You done? You done, or you done? All right. Oh, look. Everything's on fire over there. Let's see if I can show you that. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, look at that. Fires in front of cars. No one noticing, no one paying attention or caring. It's just like Detroit. That's an unbelievable... Actually, it's a lot more like Corpus Christi, Texas, to be honest. Anyone out there who's watching this in Corpus Christi, don't even try and back off of that argument. Anyway, it was exactly a year ago that I stood watching that display, and I said to myself, this year, 2015, this is the year that I upload my first video onto YouTube. And I did. Most of you guys seem to enjoy it, or that particular video has yet to reach 100 views, so did pretty well, I guess. Just thank you guys. You know, it wasn't even a year ago. It wasn't even a year ago now, but I sat down and I picked up the script that I had abandoned out of depression and said to myself, I'm going to complete it and I'm going to make these videos for you to enjoy. I hadn't even discovered Markiplier. I hadn't discovered Jacksepticeye or PewDiePie. Or the Cinema Snob. I just knew about the main three, so to speak, of Channel Awesome. Nostalgia Critic, Rob, and Linkara. I don't care if he's not really one of the main three. He's up there for me. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for being with me this past year. And here's to many more of you. May hail. Hell, maybe this year after I move to US, we can get to 100 subs. Triple digits. That'd be impressive for me. You guys have done a lot for me, and I could never even begin to pay you back for what you've given me. The mere fact that you guys watch my videos and you enjoy them in any way means a lot to me, and I don't know how I could ever repay that feeling to you people. Well, anyway, if all goes as planned this year, I will be at Screw Attack Gaming Convention. If all goes as planned. So if any of you are there and see me wandering around, I'll probably be in my Anime Freak regalia. You know, the orange jacket and blue shirt. Don't be afraid to come up and say hi to me and be creepy. Sorry, I'm remembering the time that I met Greg Ayers. That was an embarrassing situation. It really was. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching this incredibly long Andean New Year's festival at 8,000 feet in the Andes. I said Andean already, but that's what goes on around here at this time of year. And it was probably too dark for you to see my face anyway. But thank you so much for being here for me, and I will try to be there for you when you need me to this year. That's my resolution, to produce videos. I didn't quite get to my goal of 100 videos for 2015, but here's hoping that we can get to 200 videos by the end of this year. Thank you all so much for being there. Seriously. And have a very happy New Year. Well, like I said, here's dawn, daylight time. That's what we were all seeing at night. There's the mountains. Right there. Beats the hell out of Colorado, doesn't it? 700-year-old city. It's amazing, isn't it?